Hey, you made it! Don't worry, everyone's acting weird tonight on purpose. Welcome to Party Quirks.
Ever walk into a meeting and think, wow, everyone's acting weird today? Turns out, they're all just playing Party Quirks. They just don't know it yet. This classic improv game teaches one of the most underrated superpowers in life, empathy.
In Party Quirks, one player is the host. Everyone else, they're the guests, each with a hidden quirk or identity. The host has to figure out who's who by noticing tiny details: body language, tone, behavior. Now here's where it gets cool. Every real-world interaction is a party quirk scene. Your coworkers, friends, even your partner, everyone walks in with unspoken quirks: stress, excitement, distraction. By training yourself to notice these small cues, you become better at connection. Not by talking more, but by observing more. Try this. Next time you talk to someone, silently name their quirk. Maybe they're rushing. Maybe they're unsure. Then, instead of judging, match their energy or soften yours. You'll watch connection happen instantly.
Real empathy isn't about fixing. It's about noticing. The same skill that wins Party Quirks wins trust in real life. So whether you're on stage, at work, or just trying to make sense of that one friend who always talks to the plants, remember, everyone's got a quirk. When we learn to see it, we stop judging and start connecting.